I still remember the days when I was in a college. Like any other guys, I was dreaming of owning a bike, making comfortable rides in future. After that, I've gone through each and every genre of bikes, be it a naked sport, be it a racing sport, be it a cruising bike, but the ADV genre kind of stuck in my mind for a long time. Initially, my attention was drawn towards Himalayan after considering certain factors like price, service, spare parts, the modifications and further any upgradation. These kind of factors, Hero Xpulse was way better than Himalayan. I got this machine for 1.63 lakh, here in AP. I feel it's a very good deal, in 2022 with the BS6 version. So eventually I got a chance to own an ADV with the great support of family, I must admit that. I feel happier and hoping and saying myself that happy ride and safe ride. I love everything about this bike, especially the color profile, white with the combination of blue. It's an eye-catcher, man. These suspensions are absolutely fine and very comfortable to ride, in any kind of terrain situation. It will give you much confidence, sitting posture and everything. We'll see after riding a decent amount of kilometers in this bike. I will update you guys my experiences with this machine. I'll keep on sharing any kind of issues that will come with this machine. I'll update you guys. And by the way, thank you guys. This channel currently has 500 plus subscribers. Thanks for the support. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing it. It's completely worthy.